Hi again, it's Sifisa from Bulembe Farm and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here at one of Accra's big goat and sheep markets. I've made some fascinating discoveries about goat farming in Ghana. If you're interested in goat farming or the livestock trade, this video is for you, so stick around. As I explored the market, one thing that immediately caught my attention is that most of the goats here are not even from Ghana. I was amazed to learn that a significant number are imported from Mali, Chad, Burkina Faso, and Senegal. Let's find out why that is the case. According to one of the sellers that I spoke with, Ghanaian farmers prefer these imported goats because of their size, hardiness, and adaptability to local conditions. However, one thing that I found surprising was the absence of the Nigerian dwarf. I was looking for these because I have a keen interest in in dairy goat farming. Despite my efforts, no one could give me a clear answer as to why Nigerian dwarfs are not commonly sold here. But what I did find out is that when they are available, they fetch a premium price of around 500 US dollars per goat, almost the same price as the Boer goats, Savannahs, and Kalahari Reds in Zimbabwe and South Africa. Another interesting fact that I learned is that Ghanaian farmers love crossbreeding many of the imported large-framed female goats with high-quality meat breeds like the South African Boer goats, the Kalahari Red, and the Savannah. The goal is to produce bigger, faster-growing goats with better meat quality, and this is something that we do as well at Bulembe Farm. Our core business, as I've said in my previous videos, is crossbreeding. We are great fans of crossbreeding. I found this particularly interesting because in Zimbabwe, we crossbreed our indigenous Matebele females with the Boer goats, the Kalahari, and the Savannah to also improve meat yield and resilience. So there's something in common there with the Ghanaian farmers. Overall, my visit to the market has been an eye-opener, from imported goats to strategic crossbreeding. Ghana's goat farming industry is evolving in fascinating ways. What do you think of these trends? Do you see similarities in your country? Let us know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for some more insightful content on farming and agribusiness. See you in the next video. And in the meantime, enjoy some of the pictures of my visit to Ghana, as well as my visit to the goat and sheep market in Accra.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture